Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Heroku for application deployment, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a Heroku account at heroku.com. Go to the Heroku website and click on Sign Up. Fill in your details and confirm your email address. Once logged in, navigate to the Heroku dashboard. Click on the New button in the upper right corner. Select Create New App from the drop-down menu. Name your app according to your project. Choose a region that is closest to your target audience. Click Create App to proceed. Next, install the Heroku command line interface, or CLI. Visit the Heroku CLI homepage and download the suitable version for your operating system. Follow the installation instructions provided for your platform. Once installed, open your terminal or command prompt. Log into your Heroku account by typing Heroku login. A web page will open for you to authenticate. Next, navigate to your application's root directory in your terminal. Ensure your application code is ready for deployment. Most applications will need a procfile for Heroku to know how to run your application. Create a file named procfile in your project's root directory. For web applications, include a line like web, python app.py, or a similar command based on your framework. Check if your application has the necessary dependencies listed in a requirements file, such as requirements.txt for Python. Next, initialize a Git repository if you haven't already. Type git init in your terminal to start. Add your project files to the staging area by typing git add. Commit your changes with a message using git commit m initial commit. Connect your local repository to the Heroku. Type git push Heroku master to deploy your application. Wait for the deployment process to complete. Once finished, your app should be live. You can open your application in the browser using Heroku Open. If your app needs environment variables, set them up in the Heroku dashboard. Go to the Settings tab and click on Reveal config vars. Add necessary variables as key value pairs. For database-driven applications, remember to set up a database add-on. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.